Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am Anastasia, Russian language teacher, and today let's speak about how to start speaking with Russian girl. For example, if you saw her somewhere in the street or maybe in a cafe or something. So what you can say, how you can start your dialogue. And first, of course, you can just say hello, and better be polite, don't be rude, and say добрый день or добрый вечер, доброе утро, здравствуйте, depend on when you met her. You can say привет, but be careful with this word because it is informal and sometimes it can sound not suitable for this situation. If you met a girl somewhere on the street outside and you are a foreigner, so you can ask her the direction, like you can ask her where to go, like you can ask, to ask the direction how to go to your heart. I'm kidding, of course. Where is the cafe? Where is the subway? First say, I'm sorry, excuse me, like извините, где метро, for example, or извините, где ресторан русской кухни, например. For me, the best idea is just to be honest and say to the girl like, hello, I liked you, you look very good. Can I know what's your name? Like, здравствуйте. You can say, вы мне очень понравились, как вас зовут? Здравствуйте, вы мне очень понравились, как вас зовут? Of course, you can say something what she will be glad to hear, like you look very good, or any other compliments, like вы очень хорошо выглядите, вы очень хорошо выглядите, or вы очень красивая, for example. Also, very good idea is just to start conversation if you're shy, to ask a girl to take a photo of you, and they say, oh, this photo is so nice, I'm from, and then say your country, where you're from, what you do there, and then you already will start speaking with her. So you can say, извините, вы можете меня сфотографировать? Извините, вы можете меня сфотографировать? Or, извините, вы не могли бы меня сфотографировать? Извините, вы не могли бы меня сфотографировать? Also, you can invite this girl somewhere. Извините, вы не хотели бы поужинать со мной? Извините, вы не хотели бы поужинать со мной? Or, извините, вы не хотели бы выпить чашку кофе со мной? And of course, if you met her somewhere in the museum or in the theater, cinema, you can just discuss these things that will be around you. So, if you are interested in learning Russian language, I give all the links to my accounts where you can contact me and book a class with me. So have a nice day, see you soon.